Hi there, students. Curtilage, I think a noun, both countable and uncountable. This is the area round a house. If you've got a wall around your property, as in most cities, the area inside that wall round your house is the curtilage. The curtilage doesn't include the fields beyond, even if you own them. The curtilage is the area round the house where you can reasonably expect to live your private life, to do the things that you would do in your house. It's where you can have a reasonable expectation of privacy. And if somebody comes into that is then trespass. Okay, curtilage is a legal concept, but it's in common law. It's the land associated round a house. It's by the doors, the bits that you use. Let's see, in a long time ago, if you had a castle, every castle was had a wall around it. It's the definition of a castle, and all the land inside that wall would be the curtilage. And probably in medieval times, the people inside that curtilage were the property of the owner of the castle. Okay, so the curtilage, it's the inner area of land belonging to a house. It's the enclosed area of land which is adjacent to where you live. Now, in cities, the curtilage is very clear, because normally there are walls all around it. Yeah. But maybe in the country, the curtilage may be less clear. It's the yard, the courtyard. Yeah, there's a fence around it, and that fenced area, inside that fenced area, is the curtilage, and that's really the idea. The dooryard areas, the grounds of the house, the bit that is associated directly with this house. It's the area immediately round it. Okay, formality. This is a rather formal legal word. I think I'm going to give it an 7.5, 8 in formality. Use it in semi-formal conversan. Probably not. Semi-formal or formal writing. And then as to origin, okay, we've got an old French word, curtilage, or curtilage, from the courtyard, which comes from Latin curtis, a court. Yeah, an area. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Curtilage.